Understanding kidney transplants, a vital medical procedure. Hello, and welcome to today's learning session. In this video, we will dive into the fascinating world of medical terms, focusing on the phrase kidney transplant. This topic is not only crucial for understanding how certain medical treatments work but also for expanding your English vocabulary in the field of healthcare. Let's embark on this educational journey together. A kidney transplant is a surgical procedure performed by medical professionals. During this process, a healthy kidney from a donor is placed into the body of a recipient whose kidneys no longer function properly. This life-saving operation is often the best treatment for severe kidney disease or kidney failure, offering the recipient a chance at a healthier and more active life. Kidneys are vital organs that filter waste products from the blood and regulate other body functions like salt and water balance. When kidneys stop working effectively, harmful wastes build up in the body, leading to health issues. A kidney transplant becomes necessary when other treatments, such as dialysis, are not enough to keep the body functioning well. It's a beacon of hope for many, offering a chance to return to a more normal lifestyle. The process of a kidney transplant involves several key steps. 1. Matching and compatibility. Doctors must ensure that the donor's kidney is a good match for the recipient. This involves tests for blood type, tissue type, and cross-matching. 2. Surgery. The actual transplant surgery involves placing the new kidney in the lower abdomen and connecting it to blood vessels and the bladder. 3. Recovery. Post-surgery, the recipient will stay in the hospital to be monitored for any signs of rejection or complications. They will also start taking immunosuppressive medications to help their body accept the new organ. Life post-transplant involves regular checkups and a commitment to staying healthy. Recipients must take medications to prevent their body from rejecting the new kidney and adhere to a balanced diet and lifestyle. With proper care and monitoring, a transplanted kidney can function for many years, offering the recipient an improved quality of life. A kidney transplant is more than just a medical procedure. It's a gift of life for individuals battling severe kidney disease. Understanding this term not only enriches your English vocabulary but also broadens your knowledge of important medical treatments that impact lives worldwide. We hope this video has been informative and enlightening. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next session.